Hey folks, I've got my Milwaukee M18 battery weed eater, and I'm going to give you a very brief tutorial on how to replace a string. It's super easy. First of all, I usually take the battery out just in case something stupid happens and the trigger gets pulled. Now, if you've got any string left in your weed eater head, the way to remove that is to squeeze these two tabs. There's one here and one on the other side, and you squeeze that, and this will pop down. And then you can just remove any leftover string. And once the string's removed, just put this back in. These tabs that are hanging down go in those two grooves there. And it'll just snap in place once you get it in. Now this weed eater can use either 0.95 inch diameter string or 0.80. I'm going to use 0.95 because it's thicker and more durable and can cut heavier stuff. And if you're using that, you can probably fit about 15 feet in here. I'm going to use about 12 feet. Now the way to do this is, you see the red line up here and the red line on this bottom piece. You rotate that until they're both aligned. So you take your replacement piece of string and you want to make the end as straight as you can. If it's curled because it was wound around your spool, it'll be harder to go in. But all you're going to do here is you're going to push it through the one hole and it'll come out the other side. Super easy. And then you're going to pull it until you've got equal amounts on both sides of the head, which I've got there. And then at that point, the top of this says wind in this direction, so clockwise as I'm looking at it. So I'm just going to hold the bottom piece with my left hand and start turning, and it's winding the string for me. And once you wind it enough, just make it till you've got the string to the length of that cutting blade. I'll cut it off when it's too long there on one side than the other. Even though I don't need to, it could cut itself, but there we go. That's all there is to it. It takes about 2 minutes if you get familiar with it. Hope that was helpful. If it was, I appreciate a like and a subscribe, and thanks for watching.